Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Welcome to another video. Let's add the music to Lightworks to our video clip. For example, we have this video clip. I will add it, and you want to add the music. You can see this audio 1, 2, 3, and 4. To add the music, just import your music. I will go to music over here, so you can see I have my narration and I have one song like this, and click, so you can see, click import, and you can see the sound. And now I'll just drag and drop it over here. To trim it, all you need to do is to position the playhead value where you want to cut your music. For example, select your video clip, hit C on the keyboard, select this and delete this. You can also trim end. You can trim it over here. You can cut the part of the music by selecting over here. Hit C, delete the middle and glue together. To add audio effects to your audio, over here, go to the audio tab at the top, and you can see over here, just click this plus button, you can see all the effects, audio effects that you can add. For example, if you add this lo-fi equalizer, it will simulate the small room. You can add multiple other effects, you can mix it, you can reduce sibilance, so on and so on. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.